Is it real? I don't know. Pretty sure that's happening. Tesla Cybertruck is officially here. Right now we're about 2 hours away from the event. This is maybe my 4th or 5th Tesla event that I've been to. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the most exciting one out of all of them that they've made. Everybody that I've spoken to that has some sort of knowledge of what's going on tonight has said you do not want to miss this one. So I'm super grateful to be here. I brought the Roadster all the way down here to California. And then I've got my Elon Musk shoes that he actually wore at the Model Y event. I mean, they weren't the exact ones, but only 8 pair were made, and this is one of them. So Cybertruck is what they call it. This could be the truck that changes the entire landscape of pickup trucks. F-150, Silverado, all of those trucks, they might not look all that exciting after what Elon drops tonight. So what are the specs gonna be? How much is it gonna cost? What's the range? Would I buy one of them? If it has enough range. I don't know what crazy thing Elon Musk is about to do, but we're gonna go, you're gonna experience it. This is like better than Christmas in a lot of ways. Let's do this. That's weird.
Woo! Almost ready.
I've been in line for about 45 minutes and it is filling up. Like, check this out. People everywhere, all the way to the back. It's intense. Badge is on. We're going in, boys. What is this? All right, looks like we're not quite in yet. This is the bar area where you sit and wait. This is like a holding area before we go in the actual place. This is just where the superchargers are. There's the version 3 superchargers behind me. And then we've got like all these chairs, some futuristic, like cartoony looking cars. And then of course, a bar over here. Look at this. There's a giant Tesla coil here. I've never seen a Tesla coil in person before. Looking good. Okay, pretty sure it's happening, and it's louder than I thought. We're going again.
Have your credentials out, please.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. That was crazy, man. We just squeezed right in. Oh wow, this place looks pretty cool in there. Big old stage this time. Oh my gosh, those lights. All right, we are here. We got a pretty good spot. It's a giant stage. I don't think there's a bad spot to be on the line here. Front row, this is like my 3rd or 4th front row event. Zach is in the building, Mr. Jerry Rig.
I've been really cold outside, so right now I'm just like, let's get going, you know?
I told you to wear a jacket.
Yeah, if this truck isn't like double of what my Tacoma does, I might just stick with the Tacoma. You know, it's gotta come out, they have to come out swinging with this truck.
Zach wants the Cybertruck to fly, or he's like, nah,
It's gotta fly.
In all seriousness, I think Zach's right. It has to blow like regular trucks out of the water. I think we have to see 500-mile range and really nice towing capacity for a lot of people to even consider it.
I don't really need to tow anything. I'm really just looking for the range. I want it to be killer range and comfortable inside, really cool looking, but not so weird that you just look strange driving down the road, but we might be close to one of the surprises if they have a surprise tonight. Maybe 2 trucks, maybe the Roadster's gonna be ready. The party is starting.
I now present to you
That's what's inside the
my
box.
creator.
It's that girl. It's a hologram. Made it in the building.
Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil.
100 years of the same.
So I present you the Cybertruck.
Where's Neo? We are living in the Matrix. Keanu Reeves is coming out next.
Dude, my mind is blown right now. Blown. Are you freaking kidding me? What the heck?
Honestly, it looks like a concept car. It looks like a concept car. Is it real? I don't know. It's real. It's not
It looks like anything else.
Real, dude.
So we'll start off with the size, the dimensions. The key to creating an effective monoplane was a stressed skin design.
Are you
You move the stress to the outside skin. It allows you to do things that you can't do with a body on frame.
All right, Sledgehammer, this is it.
Go fast!
This is my world right here.
Really wind up, nail it.
No way. That's solid.
Can't wait for the jerry rig everything durability test.
You want a truck that's tough? You want a truck that's really tough? Not fake tough?
I know a guy that shot a Tesla with a gun. This guy.
Shoot it! We're in California. We're going to be using the same alloy in the Starship rocket and in the Cybertruck.
This is really like a tank. It's a real life tank. It's bulletproof.
Take my money.
Yeah.
What is going on right now? This is amazing.
It's a bigger bowl.
What is happening right now? I don't care what the price is. I know Zach is buying one of these just for the durability test.
Yeah. It's the only truck that fits me now.
Maybe that was a little too hard.
Oh, shoot.
Should we try it? Sorry. It didn't go through, so that's a fun side. Really? Okay. Sure.
Oh, no.
It didn't go through. Alright.
Whoops.
Not everything works out the way you planned. It's live. This is live.
Glass is glass after all.
That's more reasonable. That makes sense.
Yeah. It was uphill.
0 to 60 in 2.9.
2.9! 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds.
That's crazy.
That's faster than...
That's twice as fast as my Tacoma.
See,
Over twice.
I mean, that's faster than my Model S or my Model X right now.
That is almost as expensive as my Toyota Tacoma, and this like doubles all of the specs. That is insane.
One more surprise. One more surprise. It's coming. You know something's coming. Something's coming, Elon.
We also made an ATV, so...
He's gonna put the ATV in the back of the truck. That is crazy. So cool.
What? Yeah. We go high on the other side, just pull this load mode.
Instant reaction. I don't know what to think. I don't know if I like it or I don't like it. I like a lot of things about it, but it's definitely not what I thought. I need to process this.
Yeah, there's no release date, which basically makes this a concept, because it's a concept until it's released.
If you look just at the specs, I love it. If you look at the design, on video it looks amazing, on pictures it looks amazing. Where I'm sitting right now, it looks more like a concept, like it's not finished. Maybe that's just the metal that's on the outside. The glass broke. I'm sure everybody's gonna be talking about the glass breaking. What did you guys think? What did you think about that?
I'll look in a minute.
I can't wait. Hey, what'd you think? What'd you think?
I'm a little bit shell-shocked, to be honest, dude.
Yeah, I think everybody's pretty shocked.
And I looked around at all my friends, I was like, is this real? I thought Elon was like joking.
Yes, messing with us.
Messing with us? Like, it wore on me though. Like within 5 minutes, I'm like, I could see myself driving that.
I think it's gonna take people some time for it to grow on them, like, because it's so different. But the price is like way better than I was even expecting.
10.8 in the quarter mile, I'm all up for that, and 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds.
You could probably do something here to make it faster.
Yeah, exactly. An electric ATV, I'm up for that too.
What did you think when it first rolled on stage?
That was a joke.
Oh,
the design was like
ugly.
It didn't look done, but
the specs are right. The specs are correct.
Yeah. Like, if you look at the numbers, they're amazing. The design, I'm like, is this really the one? Is he gonna roll something else out?
That's what I thought.
I'm having a hard time embracing the crazy futuristic look of it.
Yeah.
It will probably grow on me, as we were kind of talking about earlier. I don't think your traditional truck lover is going to really like this a whole lot, but it's Tesla. I think people will buy. I already know people have texted me tonight saying that they put a reservation in, so yeah.
The event has been over for about 30 minutes and they opened up the stage so you can actually walk up there and take a look at it. They're going to be giving rides outside, but the line is crazy long. They're letting media go, which there's a lot of YouTubers that are in the media section. But I have a red badge. I'm not quite sure why I didn't get a media badge with all the referrals and all the videos and everything, but yeah, they decided not to give it to me. So. Incredibly futuristic. I love the specs of it. All of that towing, 2.9 seconds I think it was, 0 to 60. That's crazy fast. They took the truck with the broken glass and they got it out of here and they rolled up a clay model. And so this is a different one, and I actually like this one better than I do the other one, because the actual one that they had on stage, the metal was really unfinished and it felt like they just made it in the metal shop next door. This one looks a little bit more clean, and so once you get some paint and some color on it, it's going to look better than what my initial reaction was when it first came out, and I was like, what am I looking at right now? I need more time to think about it. The four-wheeler, yes, I would love to have that, especially where we live with the off-road. I feel like the glass breaking was a really awkward moment. I'm sure they tested that out so many times, and then they get on stage and the glass that they had on there was not as strong. If you had that ball in the side of any other glass in a car, it would just go right through it. Goodbye, Cybertruck. I'll see you in a long time, 2 or 3 years. I don't know that I've ever been at a loss for words for a video. Good news, they're doing the test rides here on the street right next to it. So I'm gonna check it out and see what it looks like as it drives by. All right, here it comes, listen for it. There goes Cybertruck. This is Zach. This is his media badge, so he got in. Did you get a ride in it?
I did. This one's a bit bigger than mine, and it also felt, because it's a bigger truck, you could feel it like tip a little bit more when it was doing like its hard turns.
Yeah, I saw it when it was riding. It kind of shook a little bit because of the shock.
It feels like a big boat, but I think that's because the suspension's all the way up right now. They haven't like lowered it down.
Did you put a deposit down?
I did.
Yes. All right, check out his video. I think that's all she wrote from here. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm gonna go edit this video and get it out to you guys so you can see it. I really do wanna know your thoughts. I know YouTubers say that all the time, but let me know down below like what you think. I wanna read. Did you hate it? Did you love it? Be honest. Superchargers are in Kazakhstan now. It's because of this guy right here. Wait, you put your GoPro in the middle of the street?
For it to go over top of it?
Shut up.
Yeah,
the Cybertruck ran that over?
Ran it completely over.
No. How do you get out of it if it crashes?